I'm Pranav, a ninth grader who has started to love drones. I want to use them to help solve the problem of to help people who suffer from natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, and wildfires. Natural disasters are absolutely devastating. They can destroy homes, roads, villages, and so much more. Actually, in 2010, out of every 1,000 deaths, one was caused by a natural disaster. They can leave people without food, water, electricity, or even medical care. They can cause emotional pain, fear, sadness, and stress. That's why I have come up with the InterSeaMine drone, a versatile and modular system that can do multiple tasks in different environments. It has 4 main points. So, a central unit with a camera, sensors, and a communication module. So this is its camera, sensor, and communication module. And a net pulling propeller that can deliver aid packages or rescue other trapped animals. So these are the net propellers, and these are the other resources that can be delivered to people. And a submersible propeller, which is under here. So these are its submersible propellers, which can help with purification of water or underwater exploration. So the InterSeaMine drone can be easily assembled by attaching the desired components to the central unit. So you can just get the whole drone as a pack, and you can just attach all the required components onto the central unit. For example, if the mission is to help a community affected by a flood, the central unit can be attached by two net propellers and one submersible propeller. The net pulling propellers can fly over the flooded area and drop aid packages or lift people. The InterSeaMine drone is a great drone that can help communities affected by natural disasters recover emotionally and physically. It can provide relief, rescue, and recovery in different scenarios. It can save lives, restore hope, rebuild communities. Thank you.